front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. If you are struggling to add a password to Passwords Manager on your iPhone, don't worry, I can assure you, you are not the only one. That's why I'm recording this video to show you how to do it step by step. First of all, go into Utilities folder and launch Passwords app. Now you need to enter your passcode to continue. When you're ready, use this plus at the bottom right corner and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or create a label. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Last but not least, to save your password, use this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!